the Singer 29-4, model 29, made in 1911, given to Andy and Nancy by Dave and Carol Schuster. We wanted to do a little demonstration about how great it sews. Got it all hooked up. My foot's on the treadle, and we did all the research and got it all hooked up, and we got it ready to go. So Nancy's going to take a shot of it. I got it set up to go backwards first, which is really amazing. And it can go around in a circle like no other. It's already screwed it up. And you can go around in a circle or sideways. There's like nothing else like this in the whole world. You can do zigzags. I've only had a few minutes testing, but it works absolutely incredible. I'm going to actually do a YouTube. I've only had a few minutes of testing my foot and my coordination, but I just wanted to get it across to you, Dave and Carol, and show you guys how amazing this machine is. The stitches, it does absolutely everything that a modern machine is. It's all oil. And I'm getting actually pretty good at it. And that's only a few minutes of actually really testing it. As you can see, the stitches are absolutely perfect. And my coordination is pretty decent. Of course, I'm starting to get tired already. But this machine is amazing. 5 years old. And that will do it. And retract the needle up and out. The huge needle. And pull this out. Look at those stitches. Unbelievable.
Very good.
You shut it off?